What's up, my people? This your boy Tweezy, man. This is another episode of Dead in Life of Tweezy. The worstest snowstorm we ever had, man, in Michigan. Y'all check this out. Damn. Look at the snow. I just got done shoveling it. This is how we looking out here, y'all. Snowed in. Snowed in. This is what it is on the Dead in Life of Tweezy. Try to get this shovel. I just try to get this shovel to do its work and all this snow. And then they talking about this ain't gonna stop until tomorrow. Man, my G can't even get, well, I think it could. The G could get through there. But I gotta make a way. Y'all know what it is. Stay tuned. As you can see, I managed to get halfway. Some of the porch and my driveway. I still got more to go, y'all. This is crazy. Look at it. I'm gonna shoot it from the bottom. Y'all can see how high the damn snow is. That look like more than 6 or 7 inches to me, don't it? Look like it's almost 10. Woo! Let's finish this yard work, baby. I gotta get to work. Give me about 10 minutes. Man, it was so cold outside, y'all. I had to run back in, man. Like, it's terrible outside. Like, my hands froze. I wasn't even out there maybe 15 minutes. Man, it's crazy out there. I'm talking about the Arctic chill is really on that thing. I mean, it's coming down, y'all. So, I just had to come back in the house, man, just to warm up for a minute. I'll show y'all the rest of the driveway that I really got cleared up. But, yeah, man, this is one of the worst storms we ever had in Michigan. And if you know where you at, where we from Michigan, we get snow. But this one right here was the big kicker. Stay tuned. With y'all, I got this dang driveway done. All the way up. Well, the Queen home. There you see the car. But I got it done. That's what it is on the Dead in Life Tweet. One of the worstest snow days. Bam, there you go. Hello. Go and subscribe. Go to Chai Entertainment TV. Press that like button, share. And go follow me all on my platforms. TikTok, _real1_Tweezy. Go on my Twitter page. Go to Chai ENT1. And bless that button, y'all. Peace.